Make 2 pieces together, align all 24 stitches. Make every stitch 1 to 1, especially the first stitch. We hide the extra yarn inside the head. And here is the first stitch. Make the 2 pieces together. And then we go through there. Take the white yarn out. And grab the yarn here, just put it up here like so. And then make a chain stitch. Pull on the yarn at the back. And make a single crochet in the same stitch. And mark the first stitch. Align the front and back stitch through the stitch 2 pieces and do a single crochet. And 3 and 4 single crochet and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 10 hide the yarn inside 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and then make the ring large and remove the crochet hook. Here leave an opening to put footing material in. Grab some footing material and then we are gonna put it in. And then make the opening close. Here is the 18 single crochet of the row. $18, $19, $20, $21, and 22 and 23 and 24. And now remove the stitch markers. Join the last stitch of the round to the first stitch. Make a slip stitch and put the loop time. Now we have finished the heads of jellyfish. And then we are going to do this lovely white chain. These lovely white chains. First, we slip the stitch. Slip the first stitch and start with the second stitch to make 5 double crochet. Here is the double crochet. Yarn over, go into the stitch, grab the yarn and put it through. Here has 3 loops on the crochet hook. Grab the yarn again and put it through 2 loops. Grab the yarn and put it through. No need to use markers. And now 3 double crochet. And 4 double crochet. And 5 double crochet. 5 double crochet are hooked into the stitch. Then skip a stitch and make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Here, slip stitch. This is a petal-like edge. Then we made the second. We need to skip the stitch to the next stitch. Make 5 double crochet here. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and then we need to skip a stitch and make a slip stitch to the next stitch. And then we repeat this way until we have 5 petal-like edges. In the end, slip stitch to here and then cut the yarn. Put the yarn out and tighten. In the end, we attach practice noodle to hide the yarn inside the jellyfish head, like this. To hide the yarn inside, now we finish the head of the jellyfish.